it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be getting ready because, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be going back home for the summer. I'm going to be flying back to Hawaii for just over a month. I think 5 weeks. I have 3 days until my flight. It's currently Wednesday and my flight is Saturday morning. I have a lot that I still need to do. Well, not too much. I am going to get a COVID shot actually in about an hour because you still need a negative COVID test in order to bypass the 10-day quarantine. Even though I am fully vaccinated now, like it's been way over 2 weeks since I got my second dose. I got it in like mid-May. So I'm fully vaccinated, but you still need a negative COVID test. I think if you were vaccinated in the state of Hawaii, then you don't need a negative COVID test to fly back. But since I wasn't vaccinated in Hawaii, I still need to present a negative COVID test to bypass the quarantine. So I'm going to do that. My appointment is in about an hour. And then I also need to pack. I have not packed yet, and I kind of have a lot that I need to take with me, kind of like work-related things. I've been doing freelance content creation for a few months now, so I need to pack a few things to make sure that I can still create the content that I need to create while I'm back home. So I need to make sure that I have enough room in my suitcase, or I need to like ship stuff to my home. So yeah, I'm gonna get as much packing as I can done tonight. But before that, I'm gonna make my packing list. I figured I should probably just do that first. That way I know what I need to pack, because I do not want to forget anything, because I'm gonna be gone for quite a few weeks. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I didn't get very far in creating my packing list. I finished like a quarter of the list, but I actually need to leave a lot sooner than I thought to make it to my COVID test appointment. It's not too far, but I do need to walk a little bit to get there. I'm gonna take the bus and then walk, but I just wanna get dressed and make sure that I'm ready to go so that I don't miss my bus, because that's gonna suck if I do. So let's get dressed. Okay, here's a quick OOTD. I'm just wearing the same top that you just saw. I threw on a little flannel. It's about 65 degrees. It's like a pretty comfortable temperature, but I do get cold pretty easily, and I don't know if I'm gonna have to wait a while in line or anything like that. So I have this nice comfy flannel. I also have on these high-waisted mom jeans, I guess. They're like straight leg, kind of baggy. I just got these and they're from Target. They are my most favorite jeans ever right now. They're so stretchy and so comfy. I just posted a TikTok about them. The TikTok's like doing pretty well. It's at like 75,000 views right now, which is a lot for me. But yeah, it's literally my favorite. I just got it a few days ago and I've been wearing them like non-stop. Got them in a size 2, but I will say they are a tad bit big. So there's this little hack that I learned. You get these little jean button pins. I got these on Amazon. You can actually poke a hole, pin them to your jeans wherever you need, and it makes your jeans just fit a little bit better. Like, it's a tad bit loose, just the slightest bit, but this makes it fit even better. And then for shoes, I'm just gonna put on my white sneakers. I've got my ID ready to go in my purse. I didn't even say where everything was. This top is from Jeans Warehouse. I thrifted my flannel. Jeans are Target, I said. Socks are from Daiso. Bag is Uniqlo. And then I'm also gonna just throw on this hat because it's pretty sunny outside and I need to leave to make sure that I catch my bus on time. So I will see you guys later. Hey guys, update. I am home now. It's about 6:50 p.m. I actually got home around 6:15 from getting my COVID test. It was super quick. There was no line. I just walked up, got the test done in literally like 2 minutes. There were people there that do the test for you. Like, someone stuck the swab up my nose and they actually put it really far up. I like started to tear up. But yeah, that was super quick. And then I got home, chilled for a bit because it was really hot today. I was like sweating. But now I'm home. I think we're gonna eat dinner pretty soon, but I'm starting to get started with packing. Okay, so here's the situation. I have 2 suitcases that I usually keep under our bed as like extra storage, but I need to use this suitcase because this is the better one that I like to use when I travel. But right now it's just holding a bunch of like clothes and other stuff that I don't use all the time. I'm just using it as storage, like I said. So I need to transfer the things in here into like little bins so that I can keep them under the bed while I'm gone. I'm gonna do that, and I already made my packing list. I did it a little earlier. So got that ready, and now we can actually get to sorting and packing, like pre-packing. So let's get started. Okay, so that was actually pretty quick. I cleared out my suitcase, but I left in some things that I might take with me. But yeah, I just filled up those 2 bins right there with all the stuff that was in here. I thought it would take up more. I have 2 extra that I could have used, but I only needed those 2, so that's good. And now I can actually start packing. That's gonna be the fun part. That's when you know things are getting real. So I'm gonna start doing a little bit of packing. I'm really hungry though, so I'll probably take a break to eat dinner and then continue after. But yeah, I'm going home and I'm so excited. Hey guys, it is currently almost 10 p.m. I just finished taking a shower. It was so hot today, so I had to shower and wash my hair and everything like that because I was sweating so bad today. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more packing. I did a little bit in the last clip, but then that ended pretty early because we ate dinner. But I got a lot of things packed that are like more for work, but now I need to pack my clothes, and that's kind of the fun part. I can think about like what kind of outfits I want to wear, where I'm gonna go. I feel like I'm mostly just gonna go like to the beach or maybe to brunch or something like that. So I just want to pack like chill, casual outfits that I can, you know, dress up or down. I am running out of space though already, which is kind of a problem. I even bought a bunch of snacks in this little blue bag here. It's just like snacks and other gifts that I'm gonna give to my friends and family back home. So I need to figure out how I'm gonna bring all of that back. But yeah, I think I'm going to continue doing a little bit more packing. Alright, so here's everything that I picked out that I think I want to bring. All of my clothes, shoes as well. I pretty much need to fit all of this in a little bit of space there and in all of this space. I don't know if that's possible, but you know what? We're gonna try. But I'm determined. I feel like we'll be okay. Hello guys, it is Friday. Happy Friday. I did not vlog at all yesterday on Thursday because I was super busy with work pretty much all day. I didn't do anything packing related, nothing. My suitcase, actually, a little update on that. I was able to fit all of the clothes that I mentioned on Wednesday. It all fits, except now I don't have any room to pack all of the gifts and snacks that I wanted to bring home for my friends and family. So what I'm actually gonna do is ship some things through priority mail. There might be a better way and more like cost-effective way to do this, but I'm just running out of time at this point, so I just need to figure something out quick. So for me, I think this is the best option right now. And I don't have a carry-on, by the way. I'm flying United Basic Economy, and they don't allow you to bring a carry-on. You can only have a check bag and like a personal item, like a backpack. So I have my check bag, and I'm gonna bring my backpack as well, but I still don't have enough space. So I'm actually going to put some of my clothes in the priority mail boxes and ship that out later today before the post office closes. I just went and picked up a large box just like a few minutes ago, so I'm going to get started on packing things in there. And I think I'm gonna pack my clothes because my clothes are heavier than the snacks, so I think that'll be a better use of the you know, priority mail system, I guess, since you can ship up to 70 pounds. So I might as well put heavier stuff in there. So I'm gonna do that now. I have a meeting in about an hour, but I think I can get some stuff done before then. So let's start. Okay, you guys, so I think this was a success. I was able to put a bunch of my clothes in here, but most importantly, I have all of my gifts and snacks at the top here. And then I put a bunch of clothes in here, and I put it in this trash bag just in case something happens. Maybe the box gets damaged or liquid gets in or something. So there's just an extra layer of protection. And it all fits too, so that's amazing. I am 100% an overpacker. I'm an overpacker, overthinker, over everything. I just like to be prepared, you know? But I should have a lot more space when I come home, because I'm actually bringing home a bunch of things that I think I'm just gonna keep at home or give away to like friends. But yeah, so I'm gonna pack up the box and ship it out later today, probably after a couple of my meetings, and then I need to finish up packing, and then by this time tomorrow I'm gonna be on a flight home. I'm so excited. All right, I will talk to you guys later.
Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Guess where I am. If you've been watching me for a while, then you know that I'm finally back home in my childhood bedroom. I made it home. I got home probably like 2 hours ago now, and then my mom bought some bentos from Nijia, and I had the miso butterfish bento. Butterfish is like my favorite fish after salmon, so it was so good. I haven't had a bento like that probably since the last time I was home, so that was so good. The crazy part too is that my mom painted the walls. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but okay, I think you can tell. The ceiling is super yellow, and they used to be the same color, but she painted the walls, so now they're like a bright white. It's definitely so much brighter. She painted the closet doors, she painted my room door. She even got me a new pillow, which I was just about to unbox. So I'm going to sleep like a baby tonight. I am pretty tired, but I did sleep a little bit on the plane. And it was also weird because our flight was actually delayed a little bit because they said that they couldn't find our captain, which is so weird. I've never had that happen to me before, where they just like lost the captain. So they were like, don't worry, we're feverishly looking for a new one. And I was like, okay, great. So we were delayed like an hour just waiting for the captain to show up, and eventually he did. He was just like delayed from his previous flight, but we still ended up getting to Hawaii around the time that we were expecting to, like even with the delay, so that was good. But yeah, now I'm going to set up my new pillow, unpack. I have my suitcase out, so I'm gonna take all of my clothes out, probably put it in my closet, and just chill out for the rest of the day. Now let's get to unpacking.
Outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station, sunrise, no destination, no lie, I've been so